If you're experiencing FPS drops in The Sims 4, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to optimize your gameplay experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Open The Sims 4 and go to the Options menu. Navigate to the Graphics tab and lower the settings such as resolution, texture quality, and visual effects. This can help reduce the load on your system. Step 2. Update your drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve FPS while playing. Step 4. Enable game mode Windows 10/11. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, enable game mode. Go to Settings, select Gaming, then Game Mode, and turn it on. This feature optimizes your PC for gaming by prioritizing resources for The Sims 4. Step 5. Check for mods and custom content. If you have mods or custom content installed that may be causing performance issues, temporarily remove them to see if FPS improves. If it does, reintroduce them one by one to identify the culprit. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gameplay experience in The Sims 4. Enjoy your time in the game.